So that was a little bit of awesome. So the Building Virtual Worlds class is made up of all the lovely red shirts in front of you here. That's the work you'll be enjoying today. And we'd like to welcome all the guests who came to see their work. We have family in the house. Hello, families. We also have classmates. We have folks from across CMU and from our local Pitt campus. We have a lot of esteemed industry guests here today. Hello, industry guests who are esteemed. Woo. Welcome. Welcome to Pittsburgh. A lot of you traveled quite a way. We're really thrilled to have you here. This show is also webcast live. Hello, Internet. Woo. We have our teams in Osaka, Japan, as well as in Silicon Valley. A lot of our industry partners on the West Coast watching us live right now, so we're pretty excited to have that. The Building Virtual Worlds class had over 90 projects that were completed this semester. 60 of them were submitted to the jury for review. 14 of those worlds were selected. The topics run across the gamut. Happy, sad, interactive, high energy. And the technologies they use to put these together are also across the gamut. We saw a lot of firsts this year with this class.
Yeah, so in terms of technologies, you're going to see a lot of different ones tonight. You've already seen one of the worlds using the PlayMotion. You'll see a couple others, and special thanks to the folks from PlayMotion for helping us get that working and loaning us the PlayMotion unit. You're going to see worlds that make use of head-mounted display and wireless tracking technologies. You're also going to see worlds that involve you, the audience. Some worlds, we have one coming up called Spectrum Rush. Hands up if you got a Beyond Question remote on the way in. All right, so some folks have these Beyond Question remotes. I will call your attention to the fact that the skinny part goes at the top. And there's 4 arrows. You'll be using the arrows when you use those. But don't despair if you don't have a Beyond Question remote, because we have plenty of other audience interaction opportunities. There's going to be times when we'll bring volunteers from the audience, and there are also worlds where we have a camera looking out at you all right now, and the camera will be used to tell the motions of individual audience members. And one of the first worlds coming up with that is the Monk and Forest world, where you will each kind of get to connect with characters right up on the screen.
We also have Wiimotes.
Yes.
We have PandaPhone, which is a cell phone-based experience. Did anyone bring a phone?
Yeah.
If you have a phone, you can play.
Right.
We also have a first example of augmented reality, where students have bolted a video camera right between their eyes on a head-mounted display unit to combine both the virtual and the real worlds.
Yep, and that's our very first augmented reality system, and you'll see that in a minute. And some of the students invented their own platforms this year, so we have a lot of crazy things to see.
We have DMX-controlled scent cannons, we saw lasers, we saw awesome bits of weirdness this semester.
Yeah, and some of them were so crazy they became candidates for something called the Penguin Award, which you'll hear more about later. But right now, we'll show you that augmented reality world. It's called Ghost Cleaners.
Thank you.